Hi everyone, I am Indranil and I welcome to our wildlife channel Vian, which is all about nature.
Bird-friendly landscaping should always include plants that provide natural food for the birds. Choosing fruit-bearing trees for birds is an excellent way to augment bird feeders with abundant natural food supplies that will attract an even wider range of birds. Magnolia champaka is one of them. Known in English as champak, it is a large evergreen tree from the family Magnoliaceae. The tree is known for its fragrant flowers and its timber is used in woodworking. To know more about this champak tree and the bird named fulvous breasted woodpecker shown here, please check the previous video. You can click on the link above. In this video, you can see two birds from the same family, Megalaimidae, who also love the fruit of champak. Barbets are named after the bristles present at the base of their stout, sharp bills. They are big-headed, short-tailed birds. Barbets call out loudly, jerking the head or their tail. A male and a female may call alternately or together. Food habits. They mostly eat figs and berries along with other fruits. During their nesting period, they are also known to eat insects and worms. Blue-throated barbet, scientific name Xylopogon asiaticus, বাংলা নাম বড় বসন্ত বৌরি অথবা নীলগলা বসন্ত বৌরি. A common inhabitant of lowland and foothill tropical forests, barbet sings brightly but often goes unseen from the canopy. Barbets are bright green with a blue throat, a red and yellow crown, and a heavy, pale-based bill. Lineated barbet, scientific name Xylopogon lineatus, বাংলা নাম দাগি বসন্ত বৌরি. It is a luminous green barbet with a streaked grey-brown head and a flesh-pink bill. Bare patches of orange skin around the eyes create a monocled appearance. Not as shy like some of the other barbets, lineated barbets frequently perch on exposed branches. Let us see how they are enjoying the fruit. Barbets can break the fruit by pressure. They don't need to hit the fruit again and again like fulvous breasted woodpecker. So, the moment the fruit splits open to reveal the seeds, they just swallow it. This barbet here is holding an insect in its beak. So, along with having fruits, protein consumption is equally important. They frequently visit the champak tree for the fruits. Seems like the seeds are delicious. We would appreciate it if you could share our videos with your friends and family, and also consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.